Hi guys, this is Ranish Mallan from PixCompose, and today we are going to talk about how we can change the expressions in the Photoshop. We have something new in the Photoshop, so stay tuned with me. I think you are excited as I am. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have a portrait. This portrait you can download it from the download link which I have provided in the details. So don't worry about that. I have also provided you the project file of this project so that you can follow along with me. Here you can see that we have the filters and we can go to the filter, and here something new we have in the 2021 version of the Photoshop. This is the neural filters. Click here on the neural filters. So here you can see that we have a boundary around her face. This boundary is created by the Photoshop with AI technique, artificial intelligence technique. I love its technique. So basically we have to go to the beta filters, click here, and here you can see that we have smart portrait. Go here and click on the button. So we have turned on this. Now we have some options according to this. The first one is for the expressions. So in this video we will see things about the expressions. We will try to use the expressions, and in the next video we will try to adjust some facial features with the subject option. Here you can see that we have the facial age, which means we can make her old, or we can make her even more younger. Also after that we have gaze. We can change the gaze of the eyes. Then we have some more things like hair thickness, hair head direction, light direction. So many things are there. We will see about them in the next chapter. But firstly we will see about expressions. So here you can see that we have only two teeth of her. So I want to make her happy. So I will click here. Now if I move the slider towards the right, I will show you something extreme because we need to see how these sliders work. So if I increase it too much, you can see that the processing is started in the cloud, which is very cool feature. We have to wait for some time. Now you can see that teeth are created by the Photoshop itself. This one is too much, so we can reduce the effect like this. So this effect is very good. Now if I move this slider towards the left, this will create opposite effect of the happiness, which is sad, I think so. Like this. I really love this effect. This one is very good. After that we have some surprise effect. Click here, and now if I move the slider towards the right, now she looks surprised. If we move it towards the left, then we will have opposite effect of this, like this. She is happy and relaxed. So if we go to the angle, click here. Now we want to show her angry. Then we have to move the slider towards the right, like this. You can see that the image is processed now. She is angry. We can reduce the effect and move it towards the left to make her happy, like this. This one is too much, so these look something different. So here you can see that now the portrait is looking very good. Now when I click on OK, here we can select where we want the output. Right now we have selected new layer, then we have the current layer, duplicate layer with the mask, new layer, and smart filters. So I will prefer new layer or the smart filters. So right now I'm going to the new layer. Click here on the OK. I will show you in the next video why I prefer the smart filters. So here you can see that we have another layer, which is layer 0, which only contains this, which is created by the neural filters. So this is very good, and this is one is very extreme update from the Photoshop. I like it. So keep trying yourself and don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.